titties, booty bounce.
Damn, mommy. Good morning, guys. I just got ready. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning. My throat still feels horrible. Well, it's like a different kind of horrible. But right now we're gonna go buy some shirts for like today and some clothes. But my room looks horrible. It's a mess. When I come back, I'll probably do that. And I still need to wash my face and brush my teeth and put perfume on. This is the outfit for today. I took my nails off last night. Remember the last vlog? If you guys didn't see the last vlog, go back because you're not gonna understand what I'm saying today. She's like, you're not going anywhere. I mean, my throat is burning.
Good gracious, flirtatious, flirtatious, trying to show face. I'm looking for the right time to shoot my steam. So take off all your clothes.
I'm too scared. Oh my god, my room's a mess. Y'all, I finally got Dayquil. Oreos, because I love that. And I'm going to do a review on this very soon, so look out for that. This is I got. I don't know which one I'm gonna wear yet, but this one my mom and sister likes very much. This one I like, and that one I just picked at the last moment. I didn't even try it on. So right now I'm about to take a quick shower because we just came back from like that. Literally, it's so hot out there. It's like a no-go. But right now I'm about to take this quick shower and then get ready and all that, pack and all that. So let's do it. I keep on forgetting to vlog, but I'm about to fix up my hair right now. I'm about to fix up my hair. This is how I put this camera in front of me and then I just do it. But I might just put time lapse on here so I can add it to the vlog and stuff. But I just took another 30 milliliters of Dayquil because it says take it every 4 hours. So I'm gonna do that. And I'm liking this dress right now. It's from Ross. All the 3 dresses are from Ross, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now.
Me, cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. You gotta stay up. Don't sleep. You gotta stay up.
the men's bathroom because the girls' bathroom was closed. Oh my god, my camera's a little blurry. So we're going to Sugar Factory right now. We went to Walgreens for... What do we go to Walgreens for? Oh, to pee. Look at this little thing over there. I sound like a little boy right now. I sound like a whole man right now, but I don't care. Look. Napkin for my greasy face. Oh my god.
What if it started swinging extra fast and then it got lower and started hitting?
Think I can fly when I'm with you. My arms are wide, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in your eyes. Even if we're strangers till we die.